Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to the first video. So today in this video I'll demonstrate that how can you do SSH into the terminal of the virtual machine what you have created in Azure or Google Cloud or AWS using PuTTY. So I'll go through step by step. The goal of this video is for make you understand that we can also do SSH using PuTTY inside the virtual machines that we are creating in the cloud providers. Okay. So usually in PuTTY, if you want to do SSH, uh, you can use the password. For that you have to expose your password while creating the virtual machine, which can be vulnerable. So the best approach is that you should have a key file for your virtual machine so that you can usually log in into the machine. But that key file, it's in .pem format, which is unsupported in PuTTY. You cannot do SSH, so we have to convert that key file from .pem to .ppk. Then with the help of PPK file we can do SSH. So let me show you. So here you can see I'm in the home page of my Azure portal. So for now I will choose the free services and I will create one virtual machine. We'll go with Linux and I'll click on create. And then let me give it a name, like maybe my Ubuntu. Resource group is automatically selected. I'll choose SSH public key, not the password, and here I should choose this option, generate new key pair. You can go with this or choose your own username. For example, I'm choosing this username, and then after everything is done we'll go to review and create. You have to give it some time. Okay, so everything is validated, whatever details we have given in the basics. Now I'll click on create. We'll get a pop-up. It will ask us to download it, so we'll just click on this. It will download the private key. Okay, so it is downloaded. Here you can see the extension is .pem, and then it will create our virtual machine. As you can see, the message here is popping up, submitting deployment. So we'll wait for some time. Okay, so meanwhile the deployment is going on. Let me show you that how can we convert this .pem file into PPK file. So for that, what you have to do, you have to log in into PuTTY, and then you have to expand this connections. Under connection you will find SSH, under SSH you will find auth. You have to expand the auth, and then you will find, let me expand it, I don't know whether we can expand it, anyways, no problem. We'll click on credentials. So here we have to put the path of the PEM file. Now if I click on browse, you can see it's PPK. If we give on all files, we'll be able to see the .pem file. Okay, but it will not help you to do the SSH. For that we have to convert this .pem file into the PPK file. So how to do it? So generally when you install PuTTY in your computer, another software will get automatically installed, which is called PuTTYgen. Suppose in your case if it is not installed, what you can do, you can go to the official download portal of PuTTY. You need to scroll down and you will find the setup file for the PuTTYgen. Okay, I'll put the link in the description for the help. So we'll go to PuTTYgen, we'll click on open. After that we have to click on load. Then we'll go to the location where we have. As you can see, I cannot see anything. The reason behind this is here in the format it is selected as .ppk, so we'll make it all files. We'll choose our key file and we'll click on open, and then we'll get a pop-up that successfully imported. We'll click on OK, and then we have to click on save private key, and then we'll click on yes, go to desktop, and let's save it my Ubuntu PuTTY, and then we'll save it. Okay, so we are good. Now here you can see we have that file, our PEM file, in PPK format. Now what you have to do, same, we'll go to the PuTTY home page. Here we'll go to SSH, auth and credentials. there we'll click on browse, and from desktop we'll be choosing the PPK file, and we'll click on OK. So it's done. Now we'll go to the session page, and here we have to put the host name. So let's check if our virtual machine is created. Cool, our virtual machine is created, our deployment is done. We'll go to resource, and we'll land into this page, and there we will get one public IP address. We have to copy it, and then we'll go to PuTTY, and we'll paste the public IP address here. And here in the auth credentials we already have this, our PPK file. Just we have to click on open, and then we'll get a pop-up. We'll click on accept. Let me increase the terminal size a little bit, so let me just, okay, maybe we cannot do it here. Change settings, okay, appearance, and then let's choose, maybe I love Monaco font, so you can go with any font. I'll increase the font size a little bit. Okay, so here you can see it says login as this. We'll click on enter. Okay, I think we got some error. Let me do it again. So this is the public IP address. We'll go to SSH, we'll go to auth, we'll go to credential, we'll click on browse, and we'll choose this, and we'll click on open. And here it says that login as. Okay, let me increase the font size, change the font to my desired ones, and 12. Okay, apply. So my username was this, Shansha85, and then it will authenticate our PPK file what we have created, and boom, we are into our virtual machine that we have created in Azure. So we can type some Linux commands what we want. So here you can see, I can see everything. We can also execute top command to see the utilizations. So you have the full access through PuTTY. So this is the way by which we can do SSH using PuTTY to the virtual machines that we are creating on Azure, AWS, or Google Cloud. I hope it was useful. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe for more contents like this. Thanks.